Welcome student on another video lecture. Topic is alkaloid and in that we are going to discuss a drug that is Rauwolfia. Today we are going to discuss microscopy of Rauwolfia root. When you are taking a transfer section of Rauwolfia root, it shows following characteristic. The cork is stratified into about 2 to 8 zones which consist of smaller and radially narrower unlignified cell. So the cork is stratified and it is divided into about 2 to 8 different zones and which consist of smaller radially narrower unlignified cells and alternating with large radially broader. Here the narrower cells are alternating with the large radially broader cells which are lignified. So unlignified cells are alternating with the lignified cells. Unlignified cells, they are smaller in size, whereas the lignified cells, they are radially broader cells. In many pieces of Rauwolfia root, the cork is exfoliated and due to which the cork portion is not come in the TS of Rauwolfia. For that reason, the section cutting, or when we are selecting a piece of root for section cutting, the best root is it is having little exfoliation. The bark portion should not be removed or exfoliated, but it will come into the section. For that reason, the best piece is the piece which is having little exfoliation. Such pieces of roots are selected for transverse section. Most of the cells of secondary cortex are parenchymatous and they contain starch. Most of the cells are of secondary cortex, they are parenchymatous cells and they contain starch. The phloem is narrow and consists mainly of parenchyma with scattered sieve tissue. Phloem, which is made up of narrow cells and made up of parenchymatous cells with scattered sieve tissue. So the cork is stratified. It is divided into 2 to 8 zones and which consist of smaller cells which are unlignified, alternating with larger radially broader cells, and they are lignified. Many times the cork is exfoliated, but the best piece which is used for section cutting is the cork which is having little exfoliation, that is selected. And the cells of secondary cortex portion, that is made up of parenchymatous cells which contain starch. After that, phloem is narrow and which is also made up of parenchymatous cell, and sieve which contains sieve tissue, and sclerenchyma is absent in case of Rauwolfia. Sclerenchymatous cells are absent. Most of the parenchymatous cells of bark that contain starch grain and the prisms of calcium oxalate crystals. The xylem is entirely lignified and usually shows 3 to 6 annual ring. The xylem tissue which is present in that root portion, which is entirely lignified cells, it is made up of, it is having covering of lignin, which is a protein or deposited food material, and when we are staining the section with fluoroglycinol, the lignified cells gets pink color. So the xylem is entirely lignified. The medullary rays, which are 1 to 5 cell wide, contain starch and alternate with the rays of secondary xylem. That xylem is consist of xylem vessel, fiber, xylem parenchyma. So after that, xylem is there, which is completely lignified portion. After that, medullary rays are there. These are 1 to 5 cell wide and which contain starch, and that medullary rays, they are alternate with the secondary xylem and which consist of vessel, fiber and xylem parenchyma. And when we are comparing the transverse section of Rauwolfia root with other species, then the vessels which are present in Rauwolfia serpentina, they are smaller in size as compared to other species, and the starch grains which are present in wood portion as well as they are present in bark portion, but the starch grain in wood portion they are larger than the starch grains which are present in the bark portion, and it measures from 5 to 8 to 12 to 20 micrometer. So here the transfer section of Rauwolfia root. You can see this one is the stratified cork which is made up of narrow cells. These are narrow, radially narrow, smaller cells, and alternate with the radially broader cells, and these are the unlignified cells, and which is alternate with the lignified cell. That portion is known as phylloderm, and it consists of phloem, which contains some scattered sieve tissue, and these parenchymatous cells of the cork which contains starch grain and calcium oxalate crystal. So the calcium oxalate crystals and starch grains they are present in the cork portion, but the large amount of calcium starch of larger size they are present in the wood portion. After that it is followed by phloem, which is narrow, and this one is the secondary phloem which is narrow and contains some scattered sieve tissue. Then this portion is xylem vessel, which is entirely lignified portion, and it is having 1 to 5 rings are there. These are the xylem tissue, and that xylem is consist of xylem vessel, fiber, and xylem parenchyma. Xylem vessel, xylem fiber, and xylem parenchyma. These are the medullary rays, and with that medullary rays they are alternating with the xylem vessel. And when we are comparing this section of Rauwolfia serpentina with other species of Rauwolfia, the vessels they are smaller in size in case of Rauwolfia serpentina, but other species contain vessels of larger size, and the starch grains they are present in large number in case of wood portion. You can see here these are the starch grains which are present in large number, and the starch grains which are present in cork portion they are less. So this is about the transverse section. Now these are the cork cell. These are parenchymatous cells, cork cell, xylem fiber. This one is the when we are taking the powder microscopy. This type of structure you will find in the powder. First one is the cork cell, which are parenchymatous cell. These are the xylem fibers, and these are the secondary cortex cells which contain starch grain. Such type of structure will find under the microscope. These are the cork cell, phylloderm. These are tracheids. So this is about the, you can see here when you are taking a transverse section of Rauwolfia root, such type of structure you will find under the microscope. This portion is known as cork portion, and this one is the cortex portion, which is made up of parenchymatous cell and contains some starch grain and calcium oxalate crystal. This one is the xylem portion, which is entirely lignified portion, and xylem is consist of xylem vessel, xylem fibers, and xylem parenchymatous cell, and they are alternating with the medullary rays which are 1 to 5 cell wide and which contain some starch grain. So this type of structure you will find under the microscope. This is about the microscopy of Rauwolfia root. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.